The geographical characteristics of the Canary Islands, in the middle of the Atlantic and close to the African continent, determine that water has always been a matter of fundamental importance for the people that had lived in the archipelago. Unable to count on sufficient water resources, the supply of the population, livestock, industry, and agriculture have been common concerns throughout history. Therefore, it is not strange that there has always been a great interest in studies related to water and customs of hydraulic technologies, washing, agriculture, irrigation, in part because the problems have never been solved, as is evident today, due to water pollution, scarcity, and rising prices. In this sense, water has always played a fundamental role for the Canary Islanders in religious symbols and rituals, in food customs, for hygiene, for animals in agriculture, and as a source of energy for industries. By studying the history of water use in a geographical space like the Canary Islands, we are exposed to the decisive way in which settlers have intervened to change the landscape of the islands. Islands were forced to put in practice different strategies to circumvent the existing obstacles and to obtain hydrological resources. All this has been a long journey, which has gone from the use of water that ran along the surface to the use of water provided by trade winds to water extractions from the aquifers deep below the Earth's surface, all in search for the water necessary for life.